boys and girls. Welcome back to Super Stories. I know you're getting ready to go back to school, and we're getting ready to see you. So I'd like to read to you a first day of school book entitled Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. The illustrator is James Dean, and the author is Eric Litwin. So Pete the Cat is back, and this time he's rocking in his school shoes. Pete discovers the library, the lunchroom, the playground, and lots of other cool places at school. And no matter where Pete goes, he never stops moving and grooving and singing his song because it's all good. Here's Pete the Cat, and he's rocking in his school shoes. Here comes Pete strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. I am rocking in my school shoes. I am rocking in my school shoes. I am rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and he sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Pete's eating in his school shoes. He's eating in his school shoes. Even though the lunchroom can be loud and busy, does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and he sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? The playground. Kids are running in every single direction, up and down, in and out. He slides, he swings, and he sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm riding in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the school bus home. When he gets home, his mom says, "What did you do at school today?" And what does Pete say? I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow because it's all good. And he's singing in his school shoes. And he's singing in his school shoes. Boys and girls, I know you're going to have a rockin' good time in your school shoes. Welcome back.